In this video we will add flaps to a box icon. We are working in Wireframe. Draw a rectangle, then double-click it. Now rotate the rectangle to the correct angle. Convert the rectangle to curves. Use the Shape tool to drag the top nodes to the correct positions. F3 zooms out. Pressing Z activates the Zoom In tool. Select the new object and drag it to the right, with Ctrl held down, and right-click the mouse to duplicate. Select Enhanced from the View menu. Copy the outline attributes from the trouser icon.